आणि योगा डिसेबिलिटी रायट्स असोसिएशन ऑफ गोवा हांच्यांनी आयज एक युनीक प्रोटेस्ट केलो. त्या प्रोटेस्टाच्यान तांचे कांय डिमांड आसा जे दिव्यांग लोकां खातीर स्पेशली आसा. ते डिमांड अशें आसा की खुबशीं वर्सां जालीं ते IMB सारकेचे सभाघर आसा वा IMB सारकेचे जागो आसा जंय वेगळी कार्यावळी जाता. त्या कार्यावळींनी एक दिव्यांग व्यक्तीक थंय एक्सेस ना वा थंय एक्सेसिबिलिटी ना वा साधन सुविधा ना अशी तांची डिमांड आशिल्ली. ते कितलेशेच वर्सां जाले हे डिमांड करता. त्या भायर जे IMB सारकी जे प्लॅटफॉर्म आसा, IMB सारकी जी बिल्डींग आसा तातूंत खुबशी कार्यावळी जाता वा खुबशे जे कॉम्पिटिशन्स म्हणा वा आनी हेर जी कार्यावळी जाता तातूंत एक दिव्यांगाक वचपाक थंय प्रॉपर साधन सुविधा ना आनी ती साधन सुविधा प्रोवायड करची वा साधन सुविधा उपलब्ध करून दिवची अशी तांचे सरकारा कडेन मागणी आसा. त्या भायर फक्त इतलेंच न्हय की फक्त एक रॅम्प वॉक घालूं वा हेर जी गजाल्यो आसा लिफ्ट्स म्हणा वा आनी हेर जी गजाल्यो आसा तांचे तेय डिमांड आशिल्ले. आनी ह्या युनीक प्रोटेस्टान तांच्यांनी जे थंय जे कोण ते आतां सद्याक IMB जे मांडू फेस्टिवल चलता काल आनी आयज त्या मांडू फेस्टिवलाक जे थंय जे लोक येता वयताले ताका तांच्यांनी पॅम्पलेट्स वाटला अबावट येता वता जे मांडो फेस्टिवल 2 दिसां चलता. काल आनी आयज जे मांडो फेस्टिवल चालू आसा IMBन त्या फेस्टिवलाक खासा नदरेन दवरून वा थंय जे लोक येता तांकां एक जाणीव करून दिवप वा सरकाराचे वा आनीक कोण हायर ऑथॉरिटी थंय येता हांची जाणीव करून दिवपा खातीर तांच्यांनी स्पेशल आयज जो युनीक प्रोटेस्ट आसा तो थंय दवरिल्लो.
General public who will be attending the Mando festival on the rights of persons with disabilities. They are being very specific that it is not a protest. They are just having a sensitization program, not only for the public who will be passing by this side, who will be attending the Mando festival, but also for the government officials who will be attending the program, the guests, the MLAs, the ministers, whoever will be attending the program. This will be a sensitization program for them also. Because for the last 10 years, we have been asking to make the Institute Minezhu Daganda accessible, and despite promises, despite assurances, nobody has bothered to make the place accessible for persons with disabilities. You know that for the last 2 years also, Purple Fest has been organized in Goa, spending crores of rupees. But we are shocked that government officers are not yet sensitized to the needs of the persons with disabilities. They are funding programs, they are organizing programs in places which are not accessible for persons with disabilities, which is in direct contravention of the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016. So we are organizing this program today to just sensitize the general public, to sensitize the government officials who will be attending the program, and also to give them a message that you don't take persons with disabilities for granted. We know our rights and we will fight for our rights. We are also happy to announce that we had taken up with the Goa Human Rights Commission, who was organizing the International Human Rights Day tomorrow, and they also were organizing in a building which is not accessible for persons with disabilities. So we are happy to announce that they have acceded to our demand and they have shifted the venue of their program to the ground floor of the Pharmacy College tomorrow evening at the same time at 4 p.m.
सर तुम्ही म्हाका दिसता आर्ट एंड कल्चराकडे डिमांड केल्ली ते तुमकां रिप्लाय येयला.
रिप्लाय काय येवंक ना तेमचे.
तुमच्या डिमांडाक रिप्लाय अजून येवंक ना. मांडो फेस्टिवल केन्ना जावपाचो?
काल एक दीस जालो, आयज
मांडो फेस्टिवलाक लागून कितें
No, for the Institute Minezhu Daganda to be made accessible
for all programs,
for all programs.
not especially Mando.
Nothing special to Mando.
And so secondly, you all same building, police in police station. They have put a lift there. So what is the reason that they are not accessible?
They have a lift over there. So
Why they are delaying here?
that only the government can answer you. Why they can spend crores of rupees on Purple Fest, but they cannot spend 20 lakhs on a lift at Institute Minezhu Daganda? That is an answer which only the government can give you. Today about 8% of the population is disabled. Senior citizens, elderly people, pregnant women. 8% of the population is disabled, and the government is not bothered about making this building accessible for persons with disabilities. Even after 10 years that we have been asking to make it accessible for persons with disabilities. And as we have said before, new buildings also are coming up, which the government is not bothered in making. accessible. So we have taken a very serious cognizance of this, and we will be having protest, we will be filing complaints under Section 92 of the Disability Act against all those officers who are denying persons with disabilities their rights.